Hello everybody, let's do a quick demonstration on this Formula 1 alarm clock. First off, I've got the alarm set for 1:45, so I've got to do this in a timely fashion. This is the control panels, AM, FM. When it's on AM, the neon is inactivated. This is just your on, alarm, and auto feature, and then your alarm choices are music or engine sound. We'll do engine sound because everybody knows what music sounds like. So I'll switch that over there. Well, first I'll demonstrate the AM and FM quickly because Susan, that's FM, that's AM. We'll put it back on FM so the neon will work, and put it back to alarm. We can now do the demo since it's set on alarm. And of course it didn't want to make the sound. Now, that was my error. Now I'll put it on engine, and now it should work properly. That was the demo mode. So it's 1:44, so we're less than a minute away from the alarm going off. And there we have it. And I can hit the snooze button. And I will turn that off. Now the 8 cylinders, this is minute, this is the snooze button, this is the alarm set, this is the tone, this is the hour, this is the sleep timer, this is the button you press time to set the minutes and hour, and that's the demo button. This is tuning, and that's volume. So this is a quick overview of the Formula 1 race car alarm clock that I ended up having to replace my original one. Thank you for watching.